Okay, we up on it. Go ahead and wind the window down so we can get a fresh smell of the air. Come on. Go, go. It's not, you got a tiny car. Let's go. Okay, we got a couple of wreckers. Obviously, this accident happened over there. Oh, crap. Oh, you hit a, oh, that's what happened. You hit the sign. I mean, it's a possibility, still alive. I don't see any fire. Oh, shoot. I disagree with that. It's not a possibility he's still alive. Wow. That's the truck, folks. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. That's the rest of the truck. Prayers up to you, prayers up to you. And I wonder how long this thing goes. Ours was what, 6 miles? This one here got to be at least 10 miles. Crazy, crazy. All right, folks, that was it. Like and subscribe, subscribe and like the channel, like and subscribe, subscribe and like the channel. If I didn't say it again, I'm gonna say it one more time. Like and subscribe, subscribe and like the channel. All right, we out.